In this video, I'll talk about how to use adjustment layers when your Photoshop file has multiple layers, which is usually the case. So first of all, let's make another layer to this file. Go over to the Layers palette, click, hold, and drag the Ducky layer into the new layer icon. So we have Ducky and Ducky Copy. It's sitting on top of each other, so I can't see what's behind it. On the toolbar, activate the Move tool, the very top tool. Come to the image, click, hold, and drag, and just move the Ducky Copy out of the way. And just so everybody knows how to do this, this is a common thing you have to know how to do, is how to size part of an image. Hit Control T or Command T on the Mac. Control T. That's for transform, and you get this bounding box. So now, just like in InDesign or Illustrator, you can cursor over a corner, hold down the Shift key, click, hold, and drag, and you can size it and keep the image proportional. And you can squish and distort the image if you want to, but I don't want to. So you see the bounding box, and the only way Photoshop will let you proceed is if you hit the return key on the keyboard, or you can click on the Move tool again, and it'll say, do you want to apply this transformation? And if you're not happy with it, just hit don't apply. But I'm happy, so I'm going to hit apply. So here's my tiny little ducky, and let's say my goal in life is I want this little guy blue, and I want the big guy to stay yellow. So okay, well, I know how to change this guy blue. I go to my adjustment layer icon, go down to hue saturation, and let me adjust him so he turns blue. Okay, so now what? Okay, how do I keep this one yellow and this one blue? Well, you can pin the adjustment layer. Let me put it this way. The adjustment layer affects everything below it. Okay, if you have like 70 layers, it's going to affect all the layers below. So if you want to pin the adjustment only to the layer right below it, there's an icon over in the adjustment layer palette. Okay, I'm in CS5. This is what CS5's icon looks like. Yours is going to look a little bit different. I believe it's like a square with a 90-degree angle on it. But just cursor over it, and the tooltip should tell you pin the adjustment layer, so which you're seeing right there. I'm going to click on that and watch what happens in the adjustment layer. First of all, like, we have little ducky is blue, big ducky went back to its original color. Look over in the adjustment layer, we have this like 90-degree angle arrow, meaning that it's pinned to this layer. So this adjustment layer is affecting only the layer below it, and that's typically when you're doing like composite images and like artsy things. Typically that's what you want to do. Okay, so again, it's this icon here, and I can unpin it and pin it at will. Okay, so that's an important thing to know as you're working with these composite photos.